Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kick song. Wa Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. 1, 2, 3. Chug, chug, choo-choo, here we go. The April adventure train's ready to show. Through fields of flowers we chug along, with the sun shining bright and birds singing songs. Clap, clap, tap, tap over the hill, past green rolling valleys all calm and still. We cross the stream with a splash so sweet, on our April journey where earth and sky meet. Chug, chug, choo-choo, we see the trees dancing in the breeze, so happy and free. The leaves are growing so shiny and bright as the train chugs forward into the light. Clap, clap, tap, tap, we race the breeze, chasing the clouds that float with ease. We wave to the mountains high and tall, on the April adventure we see it all. Chug, chug, choo-choo down the lane, the April flowers bloom again. Daisies and tulips nod their heads as we roll along in the cozy train beds. Clap, clap, tap, tap, the journey's near, but don't worry, little one, have no fear, for in every season we'll ride again on the April adventure, our springtime friend. Clap, clap, tap, tap, the journey's near, but don't worry, little one, have no fear, for in every season we'll ride again on the April adventure, our springtime friend.